Welcome to this goal-achieving visualization and guided meditation. Realize the power of visualizing your goal. Seeing in your mind's eye the thing you want to accomplish. Let's breathe in positivity and exhale negativity. Sit up straight.
Nigga, I said straight.
Very good. Now, choose a specific goal you want to achieve. The more defined it is, the clearer the end result and the better this will be. You choose abundant wealth. Good choice. Take a couple of slow deep breaths in and out, and one more time in and out. I want you to visualize the action steps you'll need to take to reach your specific goal. Your actual behavior must match up to everything I tell you. I mean everything you envision as you are moving toward your goal. I want you to see yourself engaged in the activities and enjoying the process.
I am strong and powerful. This is my destiny. I'm visualizing my goals.